what's been going on, Vinny?
Yeah, I've just been down, I don't know.
Down, like, down on your luck, down on your, like elaborate.
Down on boost, motherfucker!
Ladies and gentlemen, the day has come. We're sick of the 8 pounds of boost and nothing more. We're sick of the 5K RPM red line. So the day has come where we are installing the Efini 99 spec turbos, so graciously given to us by Rob Dom. Not just like. And he swerves. Oh my God, look at him go. Look at him go.
Reverse entry.
180 reverse entry, Sylvia, 1 via Ebisu South Circuit track. Inertia drift, Bunta Fujiwara, jack me off. Hey, bruh. We're taking off the, and we just took off the intake, one of the intakes, his pantalones. Then we got to take off the wide pipe, all of these vacuum lines, and then the turbos and the downpipe. Yeah, that's basically it.
So you said the diff, right?
Yeah, it's the diff, for sure.
You said to take out the diff, right?
Yeah, take out the diff.
Oh my God, there is no space.
Yeah, that's how it be.
He was like, hey, so I'll start here, and then you're gonna go under and do this one. And I was like, not thinking anything of it, because you know I'm a good guy, I like to party. But this motherfucker doesn't like to party, he likes to be a fucking dick.
Lay into the car, bitch.
You fucking asshole.
Yeah?
Oh, you fucking bitch.
Hey, Jett, my perception of reality is kind of fucked up down here, so can you make sure it's gonna loosen?
Yeah, I got you.
My whole perception is just upside down, it feels like.
Yeah, this is indeed going to loosen. Let me get you a socket that'll fit this now.
I didn't get past kindergarten. I only finished preschool. How long do I have to sit under here until you guys let me leave? Please, I have a fear of transmission and Y pipes and power plant frames.
No, it'd be more like, yeah. So the last downpipe nut is not coming off the car. Vinny just did like most of the work. I'm just taking off the downpipe now, and I just took off the oil feed for the turbos, but hey!
What the fuck is that?
We have to.
I dare you. I don't think that's finna work, bruh.
Need an angle grinder. I don't know if we got one of those. Oh boy, I sure wish I had a right angle impact. Milwaukee, please send us tools.
Give me that shit. That one bolt did take like 2 hours. Personally, I would have just grabbed it with my fingers and fucking done it myself, but I wanted him to have this one.
Get out of there, I plugged it. I plugged it as fast as I could. Oh, okay. Dude, I thought you were gonna get out of the car and be like soaked hair, soaked body, just like drenched in coolant.
What?
Some of the coolant went into the exhaust manifold. It's okay, you're just gonna have a smoky startup. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm joined today by my partner, Vinny here, who has helped me in the last few hours of this process. Anyways, progress has been made. Great progress has been made, actually. So the Efini twins are now completely bolted to the car. All the fluid lines are bolted up as well, so the oil inlet, oil outlet, coolant inlet, coolant outlet on both turbos. I've put in the wideband O2 sensor, and I've got the wiring basically all done. I just need to wire the gauge into the car at this point. Then everything will be A-okay. So we're basically closing it up at this point. The Y pipe will go on. Benny's gonna come down in a second and help me close up. Yeah, we're pretty close to having these turbos going. We'll fire the car up, put the base map on, and see how it performs.
2 days later.
This is the last bit, right?
Yeah, this is the last piece that needs to go on.
Getting close to the end. All we have to do now is pull out every single fucking fuse in there.
FD RX-7 fuse box diagram.
And then I turn into fucking lightning Man. What's that dude's name from Spider-Man? Electro.
Electro. You should really buy a V6. It shouldn't start. There was just leftover fuel. I have the fuel pump fuse in my hand.
Sure, that's the fuel pump fuse!
I don't know how it started, but it did. Thumbnail. Hey, thumbnail. Just enough to make it flutter. Permanent hearing damage. I cannot hear anything at all.
I got 27 pocket change. All right, we got everything finished. We got the Efini twins in. Jett is standing on my place. Everything's done. And next, we're gonna be moving on. This is the front. To tuning. We have the Adaptronic ECU.
Deal or no deal?
This is the Adaptronic S5, S6 FD RX-7. Plug and play ECU. Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. That's fucking right.
It's tested military grade.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know. It was a little gift from them, maybe.
The fuck? That's cool.
It only took 3 days, but the Efini twins are in the car. It runs. Everything's good. So, but yeah, we'll move on to tuning next, and then once the car is all tuned and done, we're gonna move on to body work and repaint, put some cool stuff on there that you guys will see very soon. So.
Who could have done this?